Oh, there she goes. Hi, sweetheart. Hey, welcome back to Don and Lana's Adventure. Today's day 5 of the build. We're going to get to the stitching part of the stitching work. Like most projects as you build them, the prep work controls your quality. And, you know, what you're doing the prep work, it doesn't seem to look like it's accomplishing a lot. For example, if you're repainting a car, all the body work and the sanding and all that kind of stuff, it really looks terrible, and all of a sudden one day you shoot a coat of paint on and it looks fantastic. Same kind of idea here. It's been a lot of prep work to get to this stage. Got 14 hours of time in this build already. Today we'll be stitching it together, taking all these 5 pieces that we put together, and 2 hours from now we'll have something on this deck that resembles a canoe. Not sponsored by Dremel or anything like that, but if you don't have a Dremel tool, go get one. They're the handiest things. Okay, so the paddles are cleaned up. I've trimmed all the fiberglass, got it nice and smooth. We've matched up the color so that all the lighter pieces are the inside of the canoe. So the next step is we'll get some wires. We'll start wiring it up, and yeah, we'll have something that'll look vaguely like a canoe in a couple hours. If you're enjoying this video, please consider supporting us on our Patreon at the link at the bottom of your screen. It goes a long way to help fund you know, fuel costs and equipment costs. Hey, it's a boat now. It's a boat. All of a sudden it's a boat, and that's the pilot. Crap.
Are they that long? I didn't realize
This
they were
one is.
that long.
I think
Most
that's
canoes are,
pretty close to average.
10 feet, this is what, 14?
This one's 16.
16, maybe?
Oh, it's going to be a sailboat.
Oh, with the 2 dinghy thingies on the side.
Well, here we go. Starting to look like something. Like I said a little while ago, you end up with a pile of wood after 5 days work, and then all of a sudden 2 hours later you got something that kind of sort of almost looks like a canoe. Anyway, here it is. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and have a great week. We'll see you all next time.